In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your Upwork account is verified. Verification on Upwork is an important trust signal for clients, and it can make a real difference in how often you're invited to interview. I'll walk you through the simplest way to check, and I'll point out exactly where the verified badge appears, so there's no confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and hit Enter. This is the quickest way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the search results, click the official Upwork website to open it. Once the site loads, you should be on the home page or dashboard, depending on how you last used the site. From here, you're going to navigate straight to your profile, because that's where the verification status is clearly listed. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile picture or your initials in a small circle. Click that to open the account menu. In the drop-down, choose View Profile. This takes you to the public-facing view of your freelance profile, which is where Upwork displays your badges and credentials. On this page, scroll down until you find a section labeled Verifications. It's typically below your main overview and work history, grouped with other trust and identity indicators. Take your time scrolling. If you go too quickly, it's easy to glide past it. In the verification section, you'll see whether your account is verified. If it is, you'll see the word verified along with a blue check icon. That combination, verified, plus the blue check, is the confirmation you're looking for. There's also another place you can spot the same indicator, at the top right of the site, next to your profile initials. If you see a small blue check there, that's another quick visual confirmation that your verification is active. If you don't see the blue check or the word verified, it likely means your verification hasn't been completed yet or is pending. In that case, keep an eye out for any prompts on your dashboard that guide you through the process. Sometimes Upwork will request additional documentation or a brief review before the badge appears. That's all you need to do. Open Upwork, go to your profile, scroll to Verifications, and confirm the blue check and the verified label. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly confirm your status so you can focus on landing great projects with confidence.